Guys, in this video I will show you what you need to do here if you're getting this error NP-104627-0. So if you're getting this error buying VC, loading to the game, or basically when you get this error, super easy fix to that. Simply what you need to do here is to reboot your console or PC and re-enter the game as well. And also if you're using Ethernet or if you're using Wi-Fi, just disconnect, reboot your console, just disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi or Ethernet or other connection that you have here, and then just relaunch the game and the issue should be fixed. So super easy fix, just reboot your console, reboot your internet, and this error should go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.